JJ, what is that?
Get it. It's on the floor.
There.
Right there. There. Did I start rushing?
Uh-oh.
Oh.
I'll give it. It does, but he's gonna have to learn how to do it softer.
Uh-oh. The tree.
Did you knock over a tree, dude? You're Godzilla.
What did Santa bring you? JJ?
In there.
Been there.